So what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to design a branding for my car. So these guys, I've evaluated them a couple of weeks ago, and I got a very good quality product that would stick to the car. It had a very nice finish. It was kind of a little bit rubbery, and I think that I'll give them a go for a bigger order. So I'm going to be ordering. What the hell is it called in English? A decal in English, like a sticker, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, a decal. Fair enough. So I'm going to be making decals for, one is going to be at the front, another one is going to be at the back. It's going to be a phone number, and basically it has to be, it kind of has to have a short explanation of what I'm doing. So it's going to be circuit design and embedded software development, or like embedded programming, I guess. I'll have to think about it, what exactly I'm going to be putting there. But I have to pick some font that is not too thin, because it's hard to stick the text that is too thin. In this case, we're going to be removing the background, so there's not going to be any background on which the text can rest. Instead, the text is going to be just so you kind of remove a film, and then you have glue on the top of the text, and then you just put the text towards the car, and then you carefully remove the other side. This process, I found that with the product that I ordered before, it was like a quote that I stuck on the back of my car. It was kind of difficult to remove this film without almost breaking off some of the letters. So I would much rather go with a little bit thicker font for this. So let's see what they have. That's not gonna work. Boris Black Box. Black blocks. No. The font that I really like is this one, but I think it's a little bit too thin on the letters. So even if I do it in bold, that could actually work. If I do it in bold. Let's try this. That could actually work. So this is going to go on the front. This is going to go on the hood. There's going to be one of these stickers. This is going to be a logo. So it's going to be 60 times 60 centimeters. And the logo is going to go on the middle of the hood. And then underneath, there's going to be text and phone number and also email address. So I have to add an email address there as well. Let's add another text box, and we can go. And the only thing that I feel is missing here is what I do. So like the reason for anybody to kind of even need this information. Maybe we can actually do like this. Maybe we can make this one smaller. Place it underneath. Although I don't want to have too much text there. I think it's better to put this on the sides or on the back. Yeah, this is going to be too much text. I'm going to remove that. So it could actually turn out very nice. If this text is a little bit smaller, then you have this text that's a little bit bigger, and then we can have a small text down here. So we can have okay. How does this look? I could just go with Comic Sans, but that wouldn't be very serious. Let's see. This one is very nice. Although it doesn't really look very good when I actually try it. What's later? I like kind of the rounded letters, that they have a little bit of rounding around them. This font is pretty nice. It's nice. Let's try some other fonts. Let's see what else they have here. Robota. Robota is a nice font. Maybe like this. And obviously I have to realize that this text is going to have to be white because my car is black. So we should try like this. And can we change the background? Let's see. Yeah. Okay. So this can be white and white. This is actually looking pretty good. Okay, that was really bad UI. Let's see, do I have to move this now? So I would kind of expect that if I press this button, that it's just going to center it along this axis, but it centers along both axes. for some reason. Yeah, and it's kind of nice if it sticks out a little bit there. So this is good. Okay. I may actually edit it a bit later. I don't know. I'll have to think about it. Let's continue. So I have taken some measurements for the areas that I can fill with text. So the one that I've been doing right now is going to be on the hood. So the logo is going to go there, and then there's going to be text underneath. The other one that's important to get done is the one that's going to go on the back, on the back window. So let's see what we can put there. The back one is going to be 100 times 35, so we can add a new product, I guess. So this is going to be the back windshield, and we're going to make it black. And then I could just play with some colors here. So, what shall I put on the back? This almost looks like I'm driving a taxi. Have to move it out. Let's try this. I think this could actually be pretty good. Huh. Although, like, Arial is the most boring font. Street corner, no. This font is bad because of the zeros that look like that. Nope. 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 Damn, I love this font. This font is so good. So this is going to be on the back windshield. So this is something that we want. This has to be short. It cannot have too much text. It has to be very much to the point. But at the same time, it cannot be too short because it has to kind of tell why. It has to answer the question, why would somebody want to call me? I think this is, I don't think it's really, it's probably possible to do this better, definitely. I'll just go with it, and I can always upgrade later. Let's change this one to Montserrat as well. Could that be a better font? Work Sans. Work Sans. What about using Work Sans on this one? No. No, 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 no. That's not a good one. Oh, this one is nice. Now this really looks like a taxi. It's too compact. Way too compact. Trebuchet, no. Traveling typewriter, no thank you. Nope. Yeah, I'll go with Montserrat, and I'm gonna use the bold one to kind of get this nice spread of the letters, and also the size, and to make sure that the letters are thick enough so that it's easy to put them on, even though they don't have any background, even though the background is transparent. So I think this should work pretty well. Take my number and call me. And call me, yeah. Call me, of course. Take my number and call me. That's better. Yeah, this is good. This is good. So we have the front, we have the back. And now maybe I'll actually start with this because I don't want to put too much time into it all in one go, because usually I get better ideas as time goes by. So if I just go with this, this kind of achieves the purpose for now. And then I can also print the sides. But I have to think about the sides. I'm not really entirely sure yet what I would have on the sides. Or actually, fuck it. Let's do this. Start over, and we'll put the side text. So the sides are gonna be 20 centimeters times 180. 20 centimeters size. So this would be 1,800, and this would be 200. Actually, I probably should use the same colors that I have on my logo. That would actually be very good. Let's see where my logo is. Where's my logo? Where is my logo? Yeah, I'm probably gonna adjust the colors later before I actually place the order. Can I find my logo actually? Maybe I can just do like this. Yeah, I should definitely use the same colors. So one of the things that, yeah, like that, that's good. Yeah, one of the things that I find a bit annoying about i3 is that sometimes you can't really, like, we can float this window. Let's see if we can float this window. I can float it like, right. But if we float it, it kind of becomes this huge window instead. So, yeah. Anyway, there we go. Take that color, and we can take this color as well. Save that one. Okay. So FFCC. So there we go. You can just enter it there. So This is actually a much better shade of yellow. Should I make this yellow as well? Maybe. Okay, let's see. Yeah, much better. I like this slightly reddish tint on this yellow. So very nice. And so on the sides, I actually have enough space to put like website address. Let's just put the website address. Let's put the com address, because I have both com and SE. But in this case, I think it's better to put com address, because they're both in English anyway. Actually, why don't we just do like this? So the question is, should I have an email address and the web address as two separate text boxes, or should I just have it like this? What do I feel like doing here? First of all, I feel like updating this from Arial to this one, and also making it bold. No, in this case, actually, it shouldn't be bold, because bold becomes a little bit too thick, I guess. Yeah, it actually becomes difficult to read when it's so thick. It was very good for the phone number, but for the side, I think it's better to just keep it like this. Actually, let's get rid of this shit. Oh, this is actually good. This is very good. Yeah. This actually looks symmetric. And also I can actually put the international form of the number here. Let's do like this. That's the form of the sign. So let's see if we can put some. Ideally, I would want to have kind of like maybe a line in between. Let's see how that works. First of all, can we do something like this? Yeah, that does work without without having any spaces between the letters. So let's add another one and go just like this. Yeah, this is looking good. Damn, this is good. This is nice. Why the fuck does this text go back? There we go. Oh, okay, so it actually grows on both sides. So if I change the size, it actually grows on both sides. So I have to just make sure that I have it in the middle. Maybe like that. Yeah, let's just have it like that. And that one disappeared, apparently. Or should I have that or not? Let's see. Right. So I'm gonna make the actual size of this sign a little bit smaller. I guess we can go with maybe 15 centimeters. Or if we would call it 100 millimeters. Too small. 120 millimeters then. That's good. It's totally unnecessary to pay more for just space that you don't even use. Come on. Come on, Alan.